How to block a site on Google Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Google Chrome browser on your mobile device. And afterwards, tap three dots at top right. A menu pop-ups where you need to select Settings option. Now scroll down. Navigate to Site Setting option which is under Advanced. Tap to open it. Scroll down. Now look for the option of JavaScript under Content. Open it. By default, this is turned on, so we are going to add a site exception. Tap Add Site Exception, and you simply need to enter the site you want to block in the following format. Suppose www.sitename.com and make sure to use the full URL. And once you have entered the site, you can tap on the add icon. Once you do that, you need to completely close the Chrome browser and open it again to ensure that the changes are applied. You can try to go back to the site you have added to the block list, and you should now see that the site is blocked and cannot be accessed. And that's it, you have successfully blocked a site on Google Chrome for mobile. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.